Welcome back to HaHu Tube. Today, we are solving questions 1 to 20 of the Grade 8 Mathematics Ministry exam for 2018 EC. Make sure to pause and try each question before watching the solution. Let's dive in.
Question number 1. What is an element of a set mean? A. Subset of a set. B. Description of a set. C. Number of members in a set. Or D. Well-defined object in a set. The answer is well-defined object in a set. An element or member of a set is any one of the distinct objects that belong to that set. Question number 2. Let A is equal to in the set 4, 1, 10, 3 and 6 and B is equal to in the set 7, 3, 9 and 6. Which of the following Venn diagram represent A union B? The answer is C. The common elements or intersection of A and B are 3 and 6. The elements unique to A are 1, 10 and 4. The elements unique to B are 9 and 7. Diagram C correctly places these elements in their respective regions. Question number 3. Which of the following describes the set of natural numbers? The answer is C. Natural numbers are counting numbers starting from 1. Question number 4. Which of the following describes the relationship among n, w and z, where n is the set of natural numbers, w is the set of whole numbers, and z is the set of integers? The answer is B. Every natural number is a whole number, and every whole number is an integer. Thus, n is the subset of w and w is the subset of z. Natural number is the subset of whole number and whole number is the subset of integer. Question number 5. What are the predecessors and the successor of an integer minus 9? A. Minus 10 and minus 8. B. Minus 11 and minus 10. C. Minus 8 and minus 7. Or D. Minus 11 and minus 7. The answer is minus 10 and minus 8. The predecessor of an integer n is n minus 1. Hence, minus 9 minus 1, which is equal to minus 10. The successor is n plus 1, which means minus 9 plus 1, which is equal to minus 8. That's why the answer is minus 10 and minus 8, which are the predecessor and successor of an integer minus 9. Question number 6. 183 divided by 4 is equal to A. 45.75, B. 45.58, C. 40.75, or D. 40.58. The correct answer for this calculation will be 45.75. Dividing 183 by 4 gives 45 with a remainder of 3 and 3 over 4, which is equal to 0.75. So 183 over 4 is equal to 45.75. Let's go to question number 7. If x over 14 is equal to 6 over 7, then the value of x will be A. 14, B. 13, C. 12, or D, 11? The answer is 12. Multiply both sides by 14. Hence, x is equal to 6 over 7 times 14, which is equal to 6 times 2, that's 12. So the correct answer is 12. While calculating this, you can cancel out this by 7, 1, and this by 7 will be 2. Hence, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Question number 8. What is the percentage of 35% of 140? A, 100, B, 98, C, 70, or D, 49? Thirty-five percent of 140 will be 49, because 35% times 140 means 35 over 100 times 140. So when calculating this, you will get 0.35 times 140, which is equal to 49. Question number 9. A television costs bir 18,000 was sold at 10% discount. What was the selling price? A, 15,200 bir, B, 16,200 bir, C, 17,200 bir, or D, 18,200 bir. The answer is 16,200 bir, because discount amount can be calculated as 10% of 18,000, which means 1,800 bir. The selling price is 18,000 minus 1,800, which is equal to 16,200 bir.
If this step-by-step breakdown is helping you understand these math concepts better, hit that like button, subscribe to HaHu Tube, and share this video with your classmates. Let's go.
To question number 10. What is the simplified form of 7 into x plus 2 minus 4 into x plus 3? A, 3x plus 2, B, 3x plus 17, C, 3x plus 26, or D, 3x plus 5? The answer is 3x plus 2, because this means 7 into, when this value is calculated, 7 into x plus 2 means 7x plus 7 times 2, 14. Therefore, 7x plus 14. This 7x plus 14 is the solution for this one. And minus 4 into x plus 3 means 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times 3, 12. Therefore, minus 4x plus 12. Minus 4x plus 12. Sorry. Minus 4x minus 12. Negative times is negative times positive is negative. Hence, minus 4x minus 12, which can be calculated as 7x minus 4x, like terms, plus 14 minus 12, which is equal to 7x minus 4x is equal to 3x. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Hence, 3x plus 2 will be the correct answer. Question number 11. What is the value of x that satisfies the given equation 10 into x minus 12 is equal to 2 into x plus 4? A, 14, B, 16, C, 18, or D, 20? The answer is 16, because 10x minus 120, because 10 times x is 10x, 10 times 12 is 120. Therefore, 10x minus 120 is equal to 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, 2x plus 8. From this, 10x minus 120 is equal to 2x plus 8 means like terms will be collected the same side. Hence, 10x minus 2x is equal to 8 plus 120. 10x minus 2x is equal to 8x. 8 plus 120 is 128. Therefore, the value of x can be calculated as 16. Hence, the correct answer is 16. Question number 12. Which of the following does not describe the properties of parallelogram? A. Diagonals bisect each other. B. Opposite angles are equal. C. Diagonal are perpendicular. Or D. Consecutive angles are supplementary. The correct answer is diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals of a general parallelogram are not necessarily perpendicular. They are perpendicular in rhombus and squares, but not all parallelograms. Question number 13. In figure 1 below, ABCD is a rectangle with side lengths 8 cm and 6 cm. What is the area of the shaded part? A. 12 cm square. B. 36 cm square. C. 48 cm square. Or D. 60 cm square. The answer is 36 cm square because total area of the rectangle is equal to 8 times 6, which is equal to 48 cm square. That means this is the base times height. This is the base, which is 8, and this is the height, which is equal to 6. Therefore, 8 times 6, which is equal to 48 cm square. Area of unshaded triangle, that means this triangle. Area of this triangle, which is unshaded. So the area of this triangle can be calculated as half of base times height. 1 over 2 times base times height. 1 over 2 times the base is this one, which is equal to 6, and the height is this one, which is equal to 4. Therefore, half times 6 times 4, which is equal to 12 cm square. Hence, the shaded area can be calculated as 48 minus 12, which is equal to 36 cm square. Hence, the answer is this one. Question number 14. Let C be circumference, D be diameter, and R be radius of a circle. Which of the following is not the formula of the area of the circle? A. 1 over 2 CR. B. 1 over 4 D square pi. C. Pi r square. Or D. 2 CR square. The correct answer for question number 14 is 2 times CR square. Since C is equal to 2 pi r, which means 1 over 2 CR is equal to 1 over 2 into 2 pi r times r, which is equal to pi r square, and 1 over 4 pi d square is equal to pi r square. However, 2 CR square is equal to 2 into 2 pi r times r square, which is equal to 4 pi r cubed, which is not an area formula. Question number 15. A rectangular shaped farmland whose one side 80 meters is along a river. 144 meter fencing material is needed to fence the remaining part of the farm. What is the width of the farm? A. 32 cm square. B. 36 cm square. C. 48 cm square. Or D. 80 cm square. The answer is 32 cm square. The three remaining sides consist of two widths and one side along length or width. Since 80 meters is along the river, Fencing is placed on the two widths and the parallel lengths, which means 80 meter. 2W is equal to 64, which means W is equal to 32. Question number 16. A girl has a piece of cloth with kite shape as shown in figure 2 below. If she wants to divide the cloth into two equal parts, in what way she has to divide it? The answer is A. A kite is symmetric along the main line of symmetry connecting its non-equal vertex pair, which is a vertical diagonal, dividing it into two congruent triangles of equal area. Question number 17. The soap factory produces identical soaps. What mathematical concept is applied to make the soaps identical? A. Congruency, B. Similarity, C. Proportionality, or D. Reversibility. The answer is congruency. Objects that are identical in both shape and size are congruent. Question number 18. The pie chart given in figure 3 shows Atobayu's expense and saving in 1 month. If his monthly income is 20,000, what is the amount spent on food? A. 4,000, B. 5,000, C. 6,000, or D. 7,000 birr. The correct calculation will be B, which is 5,000 birr, because the angle for food is 90 degree. Amount spent is equal to 90 degree over 360 degree times 20,000, which is equal to 1 over 4 times 20,000. So that is 5,000 birr. Question number 19. The set of numbers used to express quantities such as half, 1/3, 1/4, etc. is described as A. Integers, B. Whole numbers, C. Natural numbers, or D. Rational numbers. If you say rational numbers, that's right. Fractions like 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4 are ratios of integers, which are rational numbers. To the last question of part 1. Question number 20. The age of 44 students were recorded as follows. In which table the data is organized correctly? The answer for the last question of part 1 will be the one under C, because counting frequencies of ages from the listed 44 data points as age 15 is equal to 8, age 16 which is equal to 13, the number of students with age 17 are 14, and age 18 are 9, though this corresponds directly to table C.
That wraps up part 1. To get the printable PDF of this entire exam paper along with step-by-step answer keys, visit our official Telegram channel, HaHu Tube. See you in part 2.